Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself smaller on Grow a Garden. So basically, you will need a lot of robins. You get it by purchasing the fall egg here. Oh, let me just get another one real quick. Basically, you want to do that, and you're going to place all of the robins in your garden. I have only 5, and I have a maximum of 6 anyways, 6 pets. So if you have more, you can become smaller, but here's 1, 2, here I go smaller as you can see, 3, there we go, 4, and 5, oops. And obviously the more you have, the smaller you get. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I don't know, maybe you didn't know about this. Here, I'll stand next to a gnome so you can see how small I am. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.